Fresh oranges, let's make a quick energy smoothie. Add orange, banana, milk, blend with the Ninja Blast portable blender. Look at that creamy texture.
Strawberries make the best smoothies. Add strawberries, yogurt, and honey. Super creamy and smooth. Perfect healthy drink anytime. Want a tropical drink at home? Mango cubes, milk, and ice. Blend with the Ninja Blast portable blender. Refreshing and delicious. This smoothie is perfect for energy. Banana, peanut butter, milk, thick and creamy. A great healthy snack. Time for a healthy green smoothie. Spinach, apple, kiwi, and water. Fresh green goodness. Your body will love this. Chocolate lovers, watch this. Banana, cocoa powder, rich chocolate smoothie. Healthy and delicious.
Blueberries are super healthy. Add blueberries, yogurt, and honey. Beautiful purple smoothie, packed with antioxidants.
Perfect drink for hot days. Watermelon, ice, and lime blend. Super refreshing. Summer in a glass. Let's make a tropical smoothie. Pineapple and coconut milk blend. Creamy tropical drink. Vacation vibes. Need quick energy? Coffee, banana, milk, blend. Smooth and energizing. Perfect morning drink. Try this cozy smoothie. Apple slices, milk, cinnamon, blend. Smooth apple flavor. So comfortable.
Fresh kiwi smoothie. Kiwi, apple juice, and ice. Bright green smoothie. Super refreshing.
Let's mix some berries. Strawberries, blueberries, yogurt. Beautiful berry smoothie. Healthy and tasty. Sweet and healthy smoothie. Almond milk, honey, banana, blend. Smooth and creamy. Simple and delicious. Great smoothie for workouts. Oats, banana, milk, blend. Thick, healthy smoothie. Perfect for energy.
Great smoothie for workouts. Oats, banana, milk. Perfect for energy.